A new report wants children to be the legislature's top priority. A SAWS rate increase is approved. The Alamo Colleges District wins a national award. And San Antonio weather breaks records set more than 100 years ago. This is your Express Briefing podcast for Friday, November 16th. Subscribe to this and other free content at expressnews.com/podcasts. And get each day's top news and sports headlines delivered to your inbox at expressnews.com/newsletters. A new report shows Texas children lag behind their peers across the country in educational opportunities, access to health care, and financial security, including children in Bexar County. Compiled by the Austin-based, left-leaning advocacy group, the Center for Public Policy Priorities, the new State of Texas Children Report also cites that 1 in 3 Bexar County children live with at least one parent who is not a U.S. citizen, which includes parents who are legal residents. Chief among the report's recommended priorities is a fair and accurate census in 2020 to ensure that undercounting doesn't cost Texas federal dollars or representation in programs that improve children's quality of life. 1 in 5 Texas children live in poverty, including 108,000 children in Bexar County. The report also urges legislators to implement policies to ensure sufficient wages and benefits for workers to meet their families' needs, such as a higher minimum wage and increased access to paid sick leave. Those state legislators this session are expected to target it and a similar ordinance enacted in Austin. In August, the San Antonio City Council passed an ordinance mandating paid sick leave for nearly all workers. Next year, San Antonians will see an increase in water and sewage bills to pay for projects aimed at keeping up with growth in Alamo City. While the 4.7% rate increase effective January 1st will raise the average monthly residential bill only about $3, more increases are likely over the next 5 years, as SAWS projects it will seek a 11.8% rate hike in 2020, a 7.7% rise in 2022, and a 5.8% jump in 2023, with the average bill nearly 30% higher than today in 5 years. Mayor Ron Nierenberg and SAWS trustee Eduardo Parra cautioned that even though SAWS appears to be on pace to secure water for the future, with 1 million more residents by 2040, the utility and the city need to work together to plan for growth. The Alamo Colleges District is a winner of this year's Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award. Announced Thursday, the distinction is a partnership between the U.S. Department of Commerce and private companies that recognizes organizations and businesses for innovation, leadership, and administrative practices. Congress created the award in 1987, and the Alamo Colleges District is the first system of multiple community colleges to win. The judges noted the Alamo Colleges serve more than 100,000 students and hold a AAA bond rating. The district's 4-year graduation rate has increased 150% since 2009, and students have given the system's advising program a 94% effectiveness rating. And San Antonio's 23-degree low on Wednesday tied for the 4th coldest low temperature in November, but did break a daily record set more than 100 years ago in 1916. Tuesday night, just before midnight, the city hit 28 degrees, also breaking the previous record set in 1907. The National Weather Service says temperatures are expected to climb steadily through Saturday before a cold front Sunday brings chances for rain and colder weather. And that's your daily San Antonio Express News briefing for Friday, November 16th. Subscribe to this and other free content at expressnews.com/podcasts.